nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day.
What Mike's up to? What's this here? This is Mike's way of getting the drawers to all line up. He's just putting one big long plank along the front.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Oh, we have a drawer.
Just us two,
It's quite
me
cool.
and you.
And here's the third drawer going in. Alright. Yes,
So that way, having one piece of wood and cutting it to length, full length, and then screwing them individually means that these are all now the same height, and the gap in between is just a saw width.
If you love me, I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.
So Mike's got the drawer fronts on and the door handles. They look pretty good. We're just going to leave the fridge one off for the moment and this cupboard here just until we decide what we're doing with them. But they shouldn't come open like that. But if you pull it hard, it's got a little clip at the back here that they clip into. So that works really well. We have yet to try it out driving. But yeah, pull it. Yeah. So we've done that on all of them.
These ones are push ones.
These ones
they
are
haven't
push
got
ones,
them on at the moment.
which we showed in the last video. So the fancy heavy duty ones, which you just push to open, and likewise with the fridge, you can just press it and out it comes. So we're hoping none of these are going to open. Oh, that one's probably not that great, but hopefully they're not going to come open while we're driving along. Oh, they've done a really good job there, Mike. They look awesome. Just need to be painted. Today he's going to work on an upper cabinet up here to cover all this stuff. So Mike's making some cabinet doors. That looks fancy, Mike. Can't hear me, he's got his headphones on. So that's cool, Mike. Cupboard doors in. They look nice. Just got to put some handles on, paint them, and we're good to go. Hides all our rubbish in there. And room for some food or something in there. Ooh, what you doing, Mike?
Trying to put the sink in.
Got a bench top on and a sink to go in. That's a big sink. It's exciting. Oh, wow, look at that. There's plenty of room in there to store all our dirty dishes. So what's that, Mike?
That's the overflow pipe, which goes in the back there.
If that fills up, our tank will be empty.
We've got a bit more water than that.
Yeah.
Not sure how good this is, but this is.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
just push on there like that somehow.
Yeah, it's a cheap sink, but it comes with all the stuff, so it looks nice. I think it looks awesome. Thing and waste and everything, yeah. Get this plumbed up, we're ready to go away. Yeah, so Mike's got the thing in. I'm kind of feeling like a real grown-up man, Mike.
It's like a proper home.
It's actually better than our actual home.
It's got a toilet. It's got a sink. It's got a shower.
It's like we feel all grown up. So that's it for this week's episode. We're off to a fancy dress party. The theme is Kiwiana.
Kiwiana.
So if you can guess what famous New Zealand duo we are, leave a comment down below. Till next time, stay safe
Have fun.
and be happy.